types of aircraft John has flown are the Goodyear Blimp Columbia and Television's Air Wolf helicopter. That's pretty cool. But in War Dog, John flew Louis Zamperini, a gentleman who was made known to many through the book and the movie Aerobatic Competency Examination. What does that mean? It's the person that is entrusted with ensuring the competency of other aerobatic performers. They call it an ace. An ace, that's right. John and War Dog have been featured in film and numerous national and international publications. He even performed for Vice President George H. Bush.
John has served on the board in organized airshow events, including the Torrance and Hawthorne airfairs, and has assisted in organizing the Salinas Air Show and the Travis Air Force Base Air Show.
Flights for the 60th anniversary of Pearl Harbor to commemorate the Doolittle Raider operation for the San Diego Aerospace Museum.
And it kind of goes without saying, but he's known for this smooth, masterful control of War Dog. Many sitting out in front of the hair dryer and trying to slow people down.
It worked. Okay, but this is a 1940 fire truck, a Ford fire truck driven by Mark Smith of Darnell Racing, and the daggone thing has two jet engines on it.
24 horsepower jet engines.
24, how many?
24 horsepower.
24 horsepower?
The Rolls Royce.
How about 24,000?
24,000. Where's my coffee? 24,000. Twin Rolls Royce jet engines. We did this in honor of the Red Arrows. Did you know that?
Oh, of course.
In honor of the Red Arrows.
Oh, wow.
So it's oddly a starter car.
Well, the gear has been tucked up on the War Dog. He's going to be full throttle when the time comes.
85. Oh my goodness, where is it?
He's got the 220, 260, 270, 280, 290. Oh, 290. Again. Wow.
Today.
I wonder if Mark's crew chief has been paid off by John Culver to do aerobatics